Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue not getting recommendations from Netflix, Hotstar and Amazon Prime Video streaming services. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles, select one Google TV profile. Let me select this profile and now here you can see profile settings, select your services. Here you can see list of streaming services. See, right now I haven't attached Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar and Netflix streaming services to Google TV profile. That is the reason. Let me attach Amazon Prime Video, Geo Hotstar and Netflix. After this, we get recommendations from these streaming services. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.